looking good.
Thanks. You don't need makeup to be pretty. You're beautiful.
I know I'm beautiful.
Is that a good shot? Okay.
My name is Freya.
Freya what?
Lily.
Yeah.
And Mum, I'm old. Is 5.
You're 5 years old. And what's your favourite thing?
Like everything.
What do you want to be when you're a big girl?
I want to be a vet, and I even want to test games, be a princess.
And what else do you want to be?
A pony.
Oh, do you not want to be a makeup artist anymore?
And a makeup
Oh,
artist.
you do want to be a makeup artist. Who are you going to make me look like today? Who's your favourite singer?
Oh, Perry.
Perry from Little Mix. So Freya wants to turn me into Perry. If our voices sound a bit bad, that's because we've both got a bit of a cold, haven't we?
But we don't mind that.
By the way, if you can notice my skin's a bit bad, that's because I don't feel well. But we can get over it, can't we, Bean?
Yeah.
So who am I to you?
Shelley and...
And what am I though?
But you're my auntie.
There we go.
And my brother is called Cohen. And
Life story with Freya.
he's 6. And actually I've got anime and Superman and Super Commander.
Yeah. Okay. So, are you going to do my makeup then? What should we start with?
You usually start with lipstick.
Oh, okay.
So let's put some lipstick on.
And make sure the Oh, you having to go first?
Uh-huh. Now it's my auntie's.
You do it. You're my makeup artist. Is that good?
Yeah. So there's the lip gloss.
Lip balm.
Lip balm, I mean.
We already had some of that on, didn't we?
Yes, sorry everyone.
You can tell she watches makeup videos. Who's your favourite YouTuber?
Perry making makeup.
Or you like Perry's makeup videos? Sit back a bit because they can't see you. There we go.
Okay.
You like Perry making videos, don't you?
Yeah. And I like Perry's friend.
Oh.
Jessie.
Jessie.
Jessica is on Little Mix.
Oh, she is. Jessie and Little Mix. We're going to see Little Mix, aren't we?
Mhm.
In concert. You know what to do. You're the makeup artist.
Yep,
So where do we put it on your hand?
maybe we should put it on our face. That's what we always do with makeup.
Okay. Go for it then. You was doing my makeup yesterday, weren't you?
Blended it in.
Mm-hmm.
It's my turn.
Or you having some on? Do you like Freya's bows, by the way? They're called Lily bows because she's called Freya Lily. They look very nice. And we curled your hair, didn't we, for the video?
Yes.
Very pretty.
We use this.
What is it?
It's called lips.
Look what?
Lip stick.
It's not a liquid lipstick. It looks like one. It's lip gloss.
Yeah, it's lip gloss actually, and we love it.
We love it.
So let me put it on for you. And be careful first.
Oh, thanks. Is that looking good?
It looks good.
You can wipe it on my bottoms if you want. I'm just wearing pyjama bottoms because I couldn't be bothered getting dressed today.
This.
What is that?
Lou.
Do you remember?
Yeah, Lou.
Mary Lou?
Yeah, Mary Lou.
And what is it?
And
Your favourite part of makeup?
it's eyeshadow. I think it
I
is.
thought, what's your favourite part of makeup?
Sure.
Highlight.
Everything.
Oh, it's changed. Okay. Is it that one? Or is it this one?
We should use this.
You can use whichever one you want. Where does highlight go? Tops of your cheeks, yeah. Good girl. You going first.
And it's actually Shelley's makeup.
Yeah, but we share everything, don't we?
Yeah, we share everything.
Are we best friends? What are you laughing at? Your lipstick.
It's funny. I'm like a clown.
That's fine. We're having fun, aren't we? I think you look lovely though.
Mm.
Okay.
It looks funny there. It is actually my favourite.
Is it? What is it?
Oh, what is it? This is blush and it's pink inside it.
Mhm.
Which brush can we use?
You choose.
I'll use this pink.
Good choice.
Now it's Shelley's turn.
Mhm. Lovely. Oh.
It's okay. Oh, it's powder. And do you use a brush?
Uh-huh. Perfect. See, you know.
And we actually can see it. Where does this go? Everywhere it goes. Then it's Shelley's turn.
Okay. Oh, yep. Mhm.
So let's put this down. Then we're going to use next is my favourite, and it's actually this one. It's actually with a brush inside it, and it's with purple, and I love it.
You're getting into this now, aren't you? Can you manage?
This is the in highlight.
Mhm.
We use this brush inside it
Okay.
here, and this is the palettes all in, so we should use all of them.
Whatever you like. Ooh, nice.
Do you need the creamy one?
Can I have the purple one, please?
Of course you can. That looks really pretty.
Does it?
Now we can put it back in, and now we're going to use this, and it's contour.
It is contour, you're right. Right, so where does contour go?
And here,
So do you do like a line or
a line.
is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what happens then?
Let's look in the mirror.
Oh, okay.
It's perfect.
Do we blend it or do we leave it?
Ooh, I think what do you choose?
It's up to you, you're the makeup artist.
I think we should not blend it.
Okay.
So this is actually my one, and it is so good.
Make sure you look at the camera.
It's blush.
This is the colour.
Yeah. You can use a brush though.
Mhm.
Where do we put this?
Your choice.
Well, here.
Up to you. Lovely.
So
Are we done with that?
yeah, we're done with that.
Make sure everybody can see you, Bean.
So we can use one of these.
Ooh.
The very big one.
It's the Revolution palette.
And
Freya's chosen all of this makeup herself, by the way.
And with all of these, there's 100 you can choose.
100.
They can either go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. 21, 32.
Wow.
Yeah.
A lot of colours.
So actually we should use this one. No. How about this one?
What look are we going for? Are we going for a party look?
Ooh, a past look.
Oh, you want me to hold your fringe back?
Oh, my eyes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Mhm. My turn. I want to be just like you. Can I be just like you?
Yeah. Close your eyes. Still close them. That's
You've
it.
got a very strong hand.
Yeah. You use that for eyebrows. Good.
Do you want me to show you the brush I use?
I use this brush all the time.
Oh, okay.
So here we go. These are the colours. How about we should use sparkly gold?
In my eyebrows. Okay.
These ones. These look very pretty.
Oh, thanks. I need to go get them done, don't I? Do I need to go get them done?
I don't think so.
Really?
Because I'm a makeup artist.
Oh, so you can do them for me?
Yeah, all the time if you need me.
Okay.
How about me?
forget you.
Oh, then I won't able to be pretty.
You were pretty without makeup. You don't need makeup to be pretty. You're beautiful.
I know I'm beautiful. So we put it on our...
You know you're beautiful. I love that confidence. You go, girl. Freya's a dancer, by the way. She wins lots of competitions.
Yeah, and I actually win some trophies. And would you like to see it?
We can show them another time, yeah?
So we should use the glitter. And this is the golden glitter.
Silver.
Silver. So these are your eyes.
Glitter brows, I like it.
I like it too. And you can actually do what you want to do with it.
Yeah.
Careful.
So careful. Love it.
And let's see if they're perfect.
What about me?
Yep. We'll just do you when I just see the mirror.
Oh, okay. Priorities.
It's not my eye.
It still looks pretty.
And now it's your turn. Close your eyes, don't open them, or then you'll get to poke you. Be careful of this. It went on my lips. This glitter is perfect.
Really? I'm sure it is. How am I looking?
Great on the eye.
Oh, thanks. Oh my goodness.
These are going to be great eyes.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Looking good.
Thanks. Now be so gentle. Do not poke my eyes.
I won't. And where do you put them?
What do you think?
On your eyebrows?
What are these called?
Eyelashes.
There we go.
Close your eye. That's one. Good. Close your eyes. I don't want to poke you.
You done?
Yeah.
Thanks, Bean. So is that the finished look?
Yeah.
I
That's.
think we've used everything. Come sit down. Okay.
How about mine?
Do you want me to do yours? Okay.
I can't do it yet.
Okay, look down. There we go. Lovely.
We used all the makeup.
This is my look.
And this is my look. We actually love it.
Can I look in the mirror?
Yeah.
How I look? Oh my goodness, Bean. You did such a good job. I'm loving the glitter.
Okay, then bye.
Wait a minute. If you want to book Freya for your makeup, maybe prom or your wedding or something, just comment below. She'll be happy to do it, won't you, Bean?
Yeah. And I'm a makeup artist.
Professional makeup artist. And check out any of my covers if you've not already. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, and if you want any more with Freya, definitely let me know. Okay, see ya.
Bye.